Get ready to make a super easy dessert. Yes, Nyam Nyam are going to show you how to make cake popsicle sticks. All you need is a few simple ingredients like melted white chocolate, food colouring, fondant icing, cake and cream cheese. Staple ingredients which are easy to find. And with them, we're going to be designing your favourite fantastic beast characters. And if you've got kids, get them involved because they are absolutely going to love making these cute cake popsicles. So, let's get started. First up, break up 400 grams of batter cake. Put it in a bowl with 200 grams of cream cheese and mix it together. That's your very easy cream cheese cake filling. Right, melt some white chocolate, 100 grams to be precise, and add food colouring for your desired character. We're starting with orange to make a pale orange colour. Pour that in to fill half of your cake popsicle mould and chill for 30 minutes. Then squish in your cake mix. Add your popsicle stick and seal it off with the remaining orange coloured white chocolate. Smooth it over, making sure it's evenly spread. And then you just chill it for another 30 minutes. Once it's ready, you can start designing, adding fondant icing to create your character. Leaf Man. And you can just use the same technique to create different designs with fondant icing on your white chocolate base. Fantastic beasts ahoy! And you can use different types of chocolate, dark chocolate if you want it to be a dark brown colour, milk chocolate, medium brown. White chocolate's fantastic if you want to use different bright colours. And then just use fondant icing to create facial features, hair, hands, arms, clothes, anything you like. And maybe some accessories too.